JC Motors with the motorcycle alarm lock from Xena. At JC Motors, you can shop with confidence, knowing that we offer no hassle returns, life returns, and even a damage replacement offer. Go to jcmotors.com and find out why over 280,000 riders like yourself get their parts and gear from us. Today we've got Joe with us to represent Xena to tell us about the motorcycle alarm lock. Joe?
Awesome, thank you. Well, here it is. I have it on this rotor right now. It's fully armed and ready. I'll just briefly talk about Xena and this purpose. I mean, this is a home run product. Compared to some of the other disc locks that are out there, this is shock and motion sensitive. So if you buy one of those $30, $40 locks, put it on your bike, someone picks your bike up, puts it into the back of a truck, they're gone with it, man. And then they can go work on that lock later. But with this is motion and shock sensitive, so it's going to go off and it's 120 decibels loud. This thing's friggin' loud, which I'll do an example of that here shortly. But yeah, this is the XX-6 model from Xena, and very easy to use. We've played around with it here for a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. Like I said, it's armed. So here's the motion that it takes to basically set it off. It's going to let you know. And there it is. And then once you pull it off of the rotor, it has a sensor in there. So I had to actually slide it through. I first tried it in this hole. It didn't recognize the rotor. Have to slide it in a little bit further, recognizes the rotor, and then it's activated or deactivated like I just did. So 120 decibels, people are going to hear that. They're going to look around and find out what's going on. So this is available in the stainless steel or the yellow, and it retails at $79.95.
That's retail, and as well you know you'll get a much better deal at jcmotors.com. We welcome all your questions. You can call us at 800-706-9476 or go to jcmotors.com, get live support, and find out why JC Motors is where riders get deals.